Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many developers face when working with Docker containers. Have you ever encountered an error message that says unknown flag, build, while trying to build or run your container? If so, you're not alone. This error can be frustrating and confusing, especially for those new to Docker. In this video, we'll break down what this error means, why it happens, and most importantly, how to fix it. So let's start with the basics. The build flag is a command line argument used in Docker to specify the build context for an image. However, when you encounter the unknown flag, build error, it usually means that Docker doesn't recognize this flag or can't find the correct build context. One common reason for this error is a mismatch between the Docker version and the syntax used in your Docker file. Make sure to check the documentation for your specific Docker version to ensure you are using the correct syntax. Another possible cause is incorrect formatting or typos in your command line arguments. Let's use an analogy to help illustrate what's happening. Think of building a Docker image like following a recipe to bake a cake. The build context is like the ingredients and instructions needed for the recipe. If you provide the wrong ingredients or instructions, the recipe won't work as expected. Similarly, if your build context is incorrect or missing essential information, Docker can't build your image. To troubleshoot this issue, start by double-checking your command line arguments and syntax. Ensure that you're using the correct Docker version and syntax for your specific use case. You can also try reordering your flags or removing unnecessary ones to isolate the problem. So, what are the key points to remember? Firstly, the build flag is used to specify the build context for a Docker image. Secondly, an unknown flag. Build error usually means that Docker can't recognize this flag or find the correct build context. Thirdly, common causes of this error include mismatched Docker versions, incorrect syntax, and formatting issues. That's it for today's video. We hope you now have a better understanding of the unknown flag, build error in Docker containers. If you've encountered this issue before, share your experiences and solutions in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on Docker, containers, and software development. Before we go, what do you think is the most common cause of this error? Let us know in the comments. Additionally, if there are any specific topics or questions you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.